Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Malate Renew, 120 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. Fully reacted magnesium malate vegan non-GMO gluten-free premium dietary supplement GMP manufacturing quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Malate Renew is fully reacted magnesium malate. It provides the essential mineral magnesium along with malic acid. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule 1 to 3 times daily with food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Increase servings from 1 to 3 capsules gradually. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, capsule, hypromellose and purified water, and sodium stearyl fumarate. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Consult your physician before use if you're pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly closed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.